What kind of person is considered an unfit parent in the state of Michigan? Well, my name is Akiva Goldman. I'm the director and founder of Goldman & Associates. Our firm has a primary focus on family law issues here in Michigan. And today we're going to continue our video series designed to educate and inform the public, so please subscribe to our channel. You know, we talk about getting custody and we talk about being a fit parent and all that, but let's discuss the flip side of that. What is considered an unfit parent in Michigan? And of course, it's a very broad topic, but I'll tell you one thing. If there's verified physical abuse by one parent against the children, well, that goes a long way towards showing that that parent is probably not fit to be a custodial parent. It doesn't have to just be physical abuse. It can be emotional abuse. It can be sexual abuse. It can be different types of abuses. But if it can be verified that one person is an abuser and the other one is not, that's going to really put before the court a parent who might be disqualified from being a custodial parent. A chronic substance abuse is also something that could easily result in the court saying, you know what, this parent's unfit. They got a drug problem. They got an alcohol problem. It's not the kind of person I want to oversee the children. That's a situation where the parent can certainly be deemed by the court to be unfit. Mental illness. An untreated mental illness is certainly something that the court can wonder whether or not they can take a chance on that person being a custodial parent. In most cases, if you've got mental illness and it's untreated, the court is likely to question whether or not that person can be a fit parent. So those are certain issues. Persistent neglect of food or sheltering or giving medical care to the children. It's the kind of thing that the court's going to look at and say, you know what? This person has all sorts of rights, but in terms of whether or not they're going to be a custodial parent, I don't know. If the person doesn't take care of the children, doesn't provide basic necessities, these are certainly the kinds of things where the court can say this is not the right person to have children. And of course, if the person's engaged in, chronically engaged in criminal activity, the court can say it's not a good example for the children. So when we talk about all these situations, and we talk about all of these types of parents, the court is going to look to these kinds of actions as potentially disqualifying the person from being a fit parent. If you have any questions about that, reach out and we'll be glad to help you out.
248-588-3333. 248